whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing out the hook of force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā ko nā whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira hira whakarongo pi kari kari mai. Hare hare mai, o Taringa hare hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody. Gather up close everybody. Kani move that body. Kani move that body.
Woo, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle.
Kuri ki uta, kuri ki tai. E no wiggle, ea ki a te puaheiri. Tēnā koe tau e te iwi nau mai hoki mai. Here we are again e te whānau.
Here we are.
Anei mātou
Anei
e te
mātou.
iwi. And we're saying mātou because we're speaking to you, but if we're speaking to ourselves, we're saying tātou.
Tātou.
Hoi anō, anei mātou e mihi nei, nō reira tēnā tātou.
Tēnā tātou.
Tēnā tātou.
Ko mātou, ko koutou, ko tātou katoa.
Ko koe e tēnā, ko au tēnei, ko ia tērā, kei te ako i te reo. Tēnā koe ruia. Yes, welcome back to this installment of Taringa. Here we are, e whakapāho atu nei, i te ipurau, i ngā manakitanga te wānanga o te aroa, ki te bustling metropolis o Tawamutu.
What was your
I
one?
don't know. Was
it the spacey shop?
Yeah. I don't know why it just came in.
Yes.
I remember that, spacey shops.
Spacey shops.
Did you catch that era, Erica?
Yeah, we had one in Whakataone called Galaxy.
Che.
Yeah, used to go there, rack up some of those ticket things,
Che.
trade it for a prize.
We had to walk 5 miles in the snow, in the sleet, with 20-cent
What, in
coin
the
to
winterless
play.
north?
We
Play
used to-
spacies.
I think when we were at high school and
Yeah.
we'd bike to town, this was in Rotorua, so for more fucking.
Che.
We'd bike to town, we'd have $10, $5 was for McDonald's, and the other $5 was to get change for 20 cents.
Che, yeah.
Oh,
to go.
man.
Yeah, and we'd go to New Image. There were 2 spacey spots.
Che.
Yeah, New Image and Wizards was the other one.
Wizards.
Wizards.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I vaguely
we had
remember Wizard.
in the holidays I used to go to South Auckland and was Rowan-Dale Dairy, and you learn how to play Street Fighter, and then when you go to the big spaces and South Mall, there was Technodrome, and it was like the place to go. Like you go and practice at your neighbourhood dairies and fish and chips, and then you go to Technodrome to test yourself against other
Did you go to the big ones in town, your fans?
Yifan stages.
Hey, that was like, these are like, first time I went in, I was like, whoa.
Well, it was like,
It's like rows and rows of-
man.
Oh,
And all the big time players, you didn't sit at the big games unless you were there to play, you know, stages, funds. We had the Parlour and MGI and Spaces of
This
Farringdon.
one time down in Wellington, I went on a school trip, and me and my friend discovered Time Zone, because we didn't have a time zone.
Yeah.
And we discovered that game Dance Revolution, you know, with the arrows, and you just got to dance. Yeah, and we were addicted. Like every single bit of free time that our teachers gave us would run straight down to the time zone from wherever we were in the city, have a couple of games of Dance Revolution, and then run back.
Well, imagine what it was like back in the day.
Yeah.
Like before Space Invaders and that.
Yeah.
Those were the games. And then, you know, manutaki dana wai Taringa about it.
Tika.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Space
Mihi ni
Invaders.
Aotea.
Mihi ni
I
Aotea.
think they won the
gosh.
extra song that year.
Crack
Yeah.
up.
Mihi ni I motu koe hori tuakana e.
Because what it talks about him, mate, like, his tuakana leaving and he's left alone in the urban.
Oh my god.
And he's- and he-
Hapu mautonu, hoa mautonu, rua te kauhene ti te whu.
Te mutunga mai o te hātaki.
Te mutunga mai, ka pai,
mutunga mai.
tēnā koe, thank you for bringing us back on track. There is our kiwaha i te iwi.
Kiwaha.
Te mutunga mai o te hātekihi, I think he said.
Te mutunga mai o te
that is
hokinga
crack
mahara.
up.
That is good.
So te mutunga mai is the kiwaha, and then you put in the end what you want to intensify.
Aye.
Say that it's free. So like te mutunga mai o te hātekihi, what Erica said is right, that's crack up, that's hard case as.
Yep.
Te mutunga mai o te reka, that's really delicious. te mutunga mai o te pōrangi. That is
so crazy.
Te ato te reo tā Timothy Kareti says, the epitome of stupidity.
The epitome.
The epitome, the example, the very...
Yes.
Could you use that kiwaha and tack a kupu whakarite on the end?
You could. Yeah.
Like how?
Like, te mutunga
I didn't commit to saying it.
Te mutunga mai o te taniwha hukuroa?
I don't see there's a reason why you couldn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you wouldn't have to say that, eh? It's
I think one sort of negates the other.
Yeah.
You could say like te mutunga mai o te mahi rangatira ko tērā.
Oh, right, and refer more about the mahi instead of the...
I think, te mutunga mai o te kōkō tātaki.
Te kākā tarahai.
Tataki. Te mutunga mai o te kākā tarahai. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I think you could.
You could.
Depends.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, te mutunga mai o te tauti reiraka ko tērā.
Yeah. That person is fidgety.
Yeah, all over the place.
All over the place. He is absolutely...
So, good one, Erica.
Yeah. Cool.
You're getting flash.
Getting flashy.
Whakaniniti tō reo. Te mutunga mai o te niniti.
Te mutunga mai o te niniti.
So, ara te kiwaha e te iwi, te mutunga mai. Te mutunga mai o te kaha o tērā tangata, te mutunga mai o te tere, te mutunga mai...
Te mutunga mai o ngā...
Te mutunga mai o te pōrangi.
O ngā te hunga whakarongo.
Yeah.
Ki tēnei punua pāho.
Ara e te iwi. And anei e mihi nei kia koutou. E kōrero ana mātou mō e tehi o nā kupu hei whakakahaake i tētahi āhua. So we're going to be talking about intensifiers.
Intensifiers.
What are some English intensifiers? Very, absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah.
Extremely. Yeah. And I think we have those, like, extremely beautiful would be tāhua rawātu.
Ai, kia ora. Yeah.
Okay. And we'll return to rawa. But then we have these other sort of kupu that we use, which are, I guess, modifiers.
Ai, modifiers.
They still intensify the word, but they modify it as well in a sense, and they enhance the word, I should say. So so it's still an intensifier. So tāhua rawātu would be extremely beautiful, very beautiful. And then these modifiers we have are like tāhua...
Rire. So we went from intensifier, so this is a modifier.
A modifier.
Yeah. It's still an intensifier, but it's a modifier and enhances. So you're still saying beautiful. So instead of saying, so you wouldn't say tāhua rire rawātu, you'd just say tāhua rire.
Kia ora.
Which is in English means very extremely beautiful.
Yeah.
Or at another level of beauty, I guess.
Oh.
So you go from very beautiful, a tāhua, what did you say?
Level.
To stunningly beautiful or somewhat. Yeah.
Stunningly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, awfully, extremely, all of that.
I looked at Erica when I said that, by the way,
So we've got a few of those kupu.
Aye.
So tāhua rire is one.
Yep.
See if Snow going to do one and he's going to do
okay. Are we going to play heads and tails?
We're playing. No, what was that? We're going back in time again. What was that, Electric Company?
Yeah.
Used to go. Right, here we go.
Oh, no.
Okay.
This is exciting.
Tini.
Ngero.
Tini ngero.
I was going to say tini hangana.
There we go. Say, pērā no. Have you heard tini ngero, Erica?
Carl.
Ngero is another intensifier for many, eh?
Yeah.
Many.
But you use it with tini.
Yes.
I haven't heard it with maha ngero or nui ngero.
I believe so that they have one particular make.
Yes.
So is that in like reference to people in a people context?
Yes.
You'll listen to on Te Kai and Te Karere, a lot of our kai whakapāhua are using it I tai mai te tini ngero i tēnei rā.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was a good one.
See if you get this. I don't know if you know this one. Aio.
Ooh,
I'll give you a clue, right?
Aia. No. Was that he's giving me a hand action, I don't...
Ha.
No.
Ai o haunga.
No. Ai o piro.
Oh, che.
Yeah.
And I can see why. Yeah.
So it means like
very serene.
Yes, absolute calm.
Absolute calm, yeah.
Absolute
Yeah.
Aio piro piro.
serenity.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so it links
yeah.
up to when talking about emotions. We had an episode a while back. We talked about kare aroto. You say, kare pai ana ona piro piro. His emotions are right.
Yeah.
Aio piro piro. Is that the same thing? That's how I sort of connect.
I don't know, because this is one of the first ones I learned a long time ago,
gee.
and I heard it in a kōrero, and then I think I may have heard it was in a kōrero, and I was, what are they talking about? Talking about stinky calm.
Must be a silent but violent. was it peaceful? But it was like
Yeah. So it's another one. It's another modifier, which
that's
is
a cool one.
intensifies. Absolutely calm, perfectly calm.
wow.
Yeah,
I love it.
Aio piro piro.
Aio piro piro.
Me whakarongo pi kari kari.
Have you got one for me?
Taimaha.
Ruki ruki.
Taimaha ruki ruki.
Oh, gee.
Yeah.
Do you fellas say taumaha or toimaha or taimaha?
We say, as far as I know, taimaha. I was going to say toimaha to help you, but
ruki, te tinana I te aroha, kore rawa e tu tika, te toimaha e. So there's one of the
And what does it
songs
mean?
from yesteryear.
yesteryear.
One of my faves, actually.
Yeah.
Those
And
old-time
that's
school-
probably
old
the
school.
perfect example of taimaha ruki ruki. Well, it's actually the only example I learnt it from. Because I was like, what's ruki ruki? So I looked it up, and it's an intensifier of weight.
Ruki ruki over there.
Ruki ruki, ruki ruki, I've got cookie. But that's the intensifier for weight, for burning. So taimaha ruki ruki te tinana I te aroha. So the body is weighted down with the weight of grief.
Yeah.
Wow. These are some intensifiers.
Awfully.
That cool, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awfully, yeah.
Yeah, that like in that context it would be awfully weighted.
Awfully weighted, yeah. Awfully, yeah.
So not weighted in a good way.
So instead of saying tino toimaha or toimaha rawatu, see, and that, so that provides a good
Yeah.
kaupapa. That's a good kaupapa for us to talk about in a waiata. Hence we have these particular kupu. So, you know, from a poetic point of view, if I was to put that in song, let's take that same song and change the toimaha ruki ruki to tino toimaha rawatu.
Yeah.
It would sound dumb.
Yeah.
And
It's just like
a different context.
Tino toimaha rawatu.
Yeah.
Toimaha ruki ruki. This sounds better.
Yeah, it sounds better. Yeah.
So you can use it with any of that, with those pending keiwhea, nōwhea koe, or whichever one you want to use. Taimaha, toimaha,
Toimaha.
and taumaha.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Toi tai, tau. Toi
Ana.
tai, tau.
distinct.
No hea taumaha. No te hea wāhi.
Taumaha, aua,
Yeah.
aua. Do you know what Apanui says? Do you fellas say
No, I don't
taimaha?
know.
I think you might say taimaha
Well,
or taimaha. No, I
I'm
don't know.
more familiar
I thought it
with
was my-
taumaha.
Yeah,
I thought it might be taumaha, eh? Yeah.
So we've had tini ngero ngero, toimaha ruki ruki,
Ai o piro piro.
Ai
ai
o
o
piro
piro
piro.
piro. Here's one for you, Te Puaheiri. Marama,
Keho.
keho keho. Very good.
I've actually heard that one before.
Sweating.
I don't know what it
Getting put
means.
on I like that one. I use that one a lot too. Marama keho ana te kite.
Yeah.
And
So this is marama, so absolutely clear, lucid.
Oh,
Yeah. Marama keho keho.
lucid
Yeah.
clarity.
Yeah.
yeah.
So, marama keho keho ana tērā.
Aye.
That's absolutely clear to me. Or you could say to someone, you know, you say, marama, like, are you clear? Like,
you say,
and you go, marama keho keho e hoa.
Marama keho.
Yeah.
So,
Or marama ake nei.
marama ake nei.
Yeah. So there you go, keho keho.
Just to wind it back, like tino, eh?
Yes.
Tino is the well-known intensifier of everything. Oh, there's one I like. You don't hear it much. It's kita.
Kita kita.
Yeah. For brightness of colour. So
Yeah.
it's like, oh, tino whero tēnā. But you go, ooh, whero kita ngā āporo.
Yeah.
Of the colour.
Of the colour. Yeah,
Heard that
of the
one
colour. So
before
yeah, you
too.
use that an intensifier of a colour.
Okay.
Mone mone is one that I
cool.
like.
Yeah, mone.
So, pau mone, like completely gone.
Oh,
like
yeah.
nothing left.
Exhausted, eh?
Absolutely, yeah. Or
Exhausted,
obliterated.
absolutely. Oh.
That's a cool one.
You can use it just by itself, mone noa. Then
Okay.
it's, yeah,
Yep.
then
Mone
it's,
mone.
but when you say pau mone, aku moni, ko pau mone.
Bit of a tongue twister.
Mone.
There you go. So pau mone.
When you're not good at Street Fighter or
Yeah.
the spaces, you're po mone.
Absolutely nothing left. Ko
Yeah.
pau mone te kai.
Wow.
Yeah, ko pau mone. It's like, yeah, nothing.
Wicked.
Yeah.
What about mohuki?
Mo huki.
Yeah, or is that an actual word by itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, a deep,
Deep pain.
piercing emotion.
Emotion,
or fiction. Yeah.
Oh, he mohuki, te mamai, not mamai, mohuki.
Yeah.
Is there any mamai ones? There's got to be, eh?
Tino mamai.
Tino mamai.
Mamai nui.
Mamai.
There could be.
Te mutinga mai o te mamai.
But, oh, geez, I can't remember. It's one of the books that Hini done.
Oh, kia ora.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's Te Rito or Heiti Pounamu.
So while we're there, what are these resources for our listeners there? That's by Henry Jacob.
Yes.
Good
by
real resources.
You've got Mai Te Kākano.
Mai te kākano, yep.
Wonderful. And koutou, these books aren't for the beginners
Kia ora.
or absolute beginners. If you've got some grasp of te reo, you should be okay, but they're for medium to high fluent to fluent speakers.
okay.
I roto katoa i te reo mau.
Yeah. Yeah, they're all rūmaki.
Rumaki.
Katoa ko tuhia ki te reo.
Kia ora.
Yep. And so you've got the kākano, te rito, and Heiti Pounamu.
Oh, is that, yeah, that's
The,
right.
the green one.
Yeah, yeah.
And I think it might be, I'm not sure which one it's in with these kupu that we've been discussing. She's got a few pages of them.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
that's
if you
cool.
want to look for more.
And send us, put some up on the Facebook if we don't mention them today. Because I'm thinking of like iti, is there iti, anything for small?
Well, I don't know, but they're words that, like, Tainui has moro iti.
Moro iti. Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's haua.
And then moro iti.
Oh, kia ora.
Yeah. And then you've got mo kito.
Mo kito.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, kia ora.
Yeah.
That's a
Which
kind
is
of cool-
tiny.
Yeah,
Tiny
minuscule.
specks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
More
But
kito,
those
did
are
you say?
more, they're not actually in words that intensify.
Ah, yeah,
I think
yeah.
they're true.
Descriptions of
Yeah.
that, yeah. Perhaps we can look at that in another iwi kupu because like you're getting into glossaries, you know.
Yeah.
You're getting into sub words for different things, and
Yeah.
it will help you say, you know, people that get into the sciences as well as te reo Māori will have these descriptive words that are needed.
Well, that was like, I remember Reriata Makiha saying that there's like over 70 different kupu that he knows for rain.
For range, yeah.
Like different types of rain.
Different type of range, yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's it. Every iwi would have had those kupu.
Yeah.
And now, if you go through the dictionary, there's plenty. We just stopped using them.
Yeah. I had a friend from Ngaita who laughed because I was like, oh, we've got this word for cold and that. And he's like, you've only got two. I was like, we got all types of cold down there. So in their reo,
Yeah.
because it's based on where they lived. So I'm guessing a lot of the kupu for rain might have differ too.
Yeah.
Throughout. So to have 70, of course, it would probably be
Yeah.
easy to get 70, from different
Koe
environments.
tahi wāhi, te mutinga ke mai nei o te hauaua,
Ai, te hauaua.
te makariri rānei, te anu, te mātautau.
Te mātautau, yeah.
Yeah.
Te eka.
Okay, so I think ka nui e rā kupu, e rā momo kupu. We're going to go back to the start when we said tino a tāhua.
Tino a tāhua, yeah.
And then tino a tāhua rawa atu.
Rawa atu, kia ora.
Now this word rawa, which you can use, that intensifies words. Now rawa atu, a tāhua rawa atu, and koe ne taku whakatūpato i a tātou. A tāhua he a tāhua rawa atu. Very beautiful. He a tāhua rawa, it's too beautiful.
Ai, kia ora. Yeah.
Okay?
He kawa rawa tēnei kai.
Yeah.
So if you said he reka rawa, could you be telling someone, oh, this
It's
tea is too sweet
Too
for
sweet.
me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, he reka rawa. Instead of saying, oh, you know, and that's how you say, oh, pewhia tō tea, oh, he reka rawa.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
too sweet, yeah.
But if you added on the atu, then that means like it's good.
It's
a
really
good
sweet. It's nice
It's
sweet.
nice,
Yeah,
yeah.
in a positive sense.
Okay.
Yeah. And like you said, he kawarawa in there, it's too sour. Or like, oh, i haere ki you know, or it could be like, there's another one. Ai haere ki mea I hoko i tēnei, Oh, he nui rawa o money. You've got
too much money, yeah.
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 So you need to be careful with that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that you're using the correct one. Like if, you know, someone said to you, unless you are meant to say that, someone will have, you know, I pewhia hui, how was the hui? Oh, pai rawa.
Too good.
He was, saying I was too good.
Too good.
Yeah, unless you were meaning to say that.
I've actually...
It doesn't mean they're too good. It means, it's too good.
Yeah, it was too good.
Yeah.
Ka horo kupu ki te hoki ki te kāinga. I was hesitant to leave to go home.
The other one for rawa is, to intensify, is ki runga rawa.
Ki runga rawa.
Ah.
Yeah. So right above. Up above, the highest.
Up above at the highest.
Yeah. Yeah. Te mea o runga rawa, the one that's way up.
Way up.
So rawa can be for that. And the other one you can use with runga is riro.
Kia ora.
Ki runga riro.
Ki runga riro.
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Same sort of a thing. Up and above.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And that's in one of our waiata.
Oh, kia ora, yeah. I was wondering, because that's where you'd probably find really good examples in Waiata.
Yeah, but the difference with, actually you can use rawa with raro. So ki raro rawa, ki runga rawa. And you can use riro with runga and raro as well. Ki runga riro, ki raro riro.
Ki runga riro,
raro riro. Runga riro, raro riro. Try to say that 10 times.
I'll say.
Yeah. And that's a modifier again. It's another modifier.
Cool.
Yeah, the riro. You don't hear that. I haven't heard anyone speaking like that. Now, how would you say, Erica, it was so-so? Same thing. I pewhia te hui. Without saying āhua pai and without saying tōna pai. How was the hui? I pewhia te hui. So it's one of those little words, again, that you put after. It's not rawa.
Not ake.
No. Ding, 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 ding. Starts with R.
Oh, starts with R.
Oh, no, it doesn't. Starts with T.
Yeah. Oh, T.
I had R in my head.
I was like, that starts with N.
I was like, R.
Well, that one's different too.
Yeah.
So, pai tonu.
Oh, tonu. Oh, yeah.
Pewhia te hui, pai tonu.
Pai tonu.
Pai tonu means, so.
Yeah.
And just
Pai noa means, it was okay. But it doesn't mean it was so.
Yeah.
Pai tonu is like, it was okay. Like, yeah.
Okay.
So what's pai noa?
Definitely tonu, not
like
ronu.
Pai noa.
Fine, eh?
Fine.
Yeah, kia ora.
Pai tonu, yeah.
Pai tonu.
Yeah.
Che. I didn't think I needed it.
Okay.
Like, pai tonu tana tū. It was okay.
Oh,
Pai noa tana tū, it was fine.
Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Hang on,
Pai rawati tana tū. It's
Mean
great.
as.
Yeah.
Pai rawa tana tū here was too good.
Oh, too much.
Pai rawa mo tana tima.
Yeah, it was too good for that. Might have been in that context.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
Like, bro, pewhia ngā pīkete that I made for you. I say, pai tonu.
Pai tonu.
Yeah.
He maha tonu aku. I still got heaps.
Yeah. And for that tonu, there's lots of other things that the tonu means.
Yeah. Around about 70-something uses for tonu, so don't get caught up on it. E te iwi.
Yeah. Some of them are to intensify. Yeah. Like, I mohio tonu, eh?
Yeah.
I knew straight away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or tika
I was
tonu.
right at that moment.
Tonu, yeah.
I was right at that moment I knew. Mohio tonu, eh?
Mohio tonu. Was that that time?
okay.
Yeah.
So there's other uses for those.
Rite tonu, that's not intensifying, eh?
No.
Well, doesn't it? No, so.
No, that's a kiwaha.
Oh, okay.
What about the literal rite tonu tēnei ki tēnā?
Yeah. Well, that's really like that.
That's really like that.
Oh,
eh?
okay.
Yeah.
That's exactly the same as that.
Yeah.
He rite tonu tēnei ki tērā.
Yeah.
That's exactly the same as that.
The same.
Yeah, so it's
koina.
not like that.
Yeah.
It's the same
It's
as.
exactly the same.
Yeah. But that other tonu I was talking about talks about it happening, the immediacy.
The
of
immediacy, kia ora.
Of it.
Yeah. Ake.
Okay.
Is it an intensifier or does it show the direction of, or are there examples of ake being
Well, you
used?
got haere ake nei.
Yeah.
Sort of forevermore.
Forevermore, yeah.
Mo ake tonu atu.
Kia ora.
So for
That's a triple banger there.
yeah, mo ake tonu atu. So that's for infinity.
Oh, that is a triple
Forever.
banger.
Yeah. Yeah, mo ake tonu atu.
Mo ake tonu atu.
Yeah.
He maha
I think
rawa.
that's the only one of the examples where you'll find ake tonu and atu sitting together like that.
Yeah.
We've had the ake nei used as a kiwaha. Like pōrangi ake nei.
Pōrangi ake nei,
It's
pōrangi.
really stupid.
What does the nei do to it?
It's a personal thing.
Yeah.
Well, it's sort of non-personal. It sort of adds, we wouldn't say haere ake rā, pōrangi ake rā.
Pōrangi ake rā.
I know, it's something we do.
It's something that just is. You know, we're
Just
not meant to
rolls
know
off the
everything in
tongue.
the universe. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or it could be like, I always think of a, this is it when I think of nei.
Yeah.
Okay, what about ones at the start of sentences? Like, I don't know if they actually are, but like, anō nei,
That's not an intensifier.
Nah.
ina,
I nā te nui.
I nā te nui.
So they're saying, oh, it was so big.
Yeah.
Yeah. I nā te reka.
so good,
Yeah,
so
I nā,
sweet.
but you put the emphasis on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I nā te nui o te hui.
Oh, and
I
then,
nā, you could even like, there you might be able to pair it with te tini ngero.
Yeah,
I nā te tini ngero.
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Behold the multitude of people.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, paito sei Pākehā.
Pātau say.
Yeah.
For once in my life.
Oh, I like it kaore in Waiata Tawhito.
Oh, that's a good one. Pai te nā kōrero.
Kaore te aroha.
Yeah. So mau te rai kōrero.
Kaore te aroha to my meaning. People might look at it and goes, what, no love or something like that. But it's to intensify kaore te aroha. It's almost like saying, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, Praoni, but it's like saying there's no love like, you know, kaore te aroha. No greater love. Or
Could
something.
be, yeah. Maybe that's how what our tupuna thought when they used it in that sense. Yeah. One of our karaua, ko ngaro ia, he used to use that quite a bit.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Like, I rongo au, e kōrero ana tēnei, ka kōrero tia tēnei take kaore me taimau ki te hui.
What's he saying? I better go to the hui.
Yeah.
Che, kaore me taia ki te hui.
Yeah, he used to use that quite a bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But in this one, we've got lots of examples. Kaore te aroha, kaore, one of te kōti, one of his waiata that actually he borrowed off Puhi Wahine. Kaore te pō nei mō rika. Yeah.
Che.
How dreadful the night is. Yeah. Kaore, kaore te tuki te tau o takuate. Yeah. The seat of my emotions.
Yeah. Palpitating.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
is so intense.
Yeah, so intense, yeah. Or like to bring it closer to now where a lot of people are using kaore i a rika. Hey, kaore i a rika ngā mihi.
Yeah.
There are not few, but it's more.
Kiwaha.
Yeah, it's a kiwaha.
Yeah.
It's saying that there are many. It means there are many.
And what's that Troy Kingi song? Kaore te
Aloha. That's actually written by Rikirangi.
Yeah,
Che.
but the one he made famous.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Rikirangi's song, but that's that phrase. Kaore te aroha, kai kini.
Aye.
So the love is the love that gnaws within me is so intense.
So intense, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that gnaws.
So something
yeah.
you hear it through a lot of old traditional mō tete and haka.
Yeah. And when you see like once you listen to this part of the reo, you're getting a glimpse into the mind of our tupuna. Or, you know, you're getting a better idea of whakaaro Māori and the use of te reo. You get so into structure and then you start adding to that, realising there are these, I don't know, you're just adding more colour to your language understanding.
And I think that's what those little big words do. They add colour.
Yeah.
Like the noa, the ake, you know.
Gather up close, everybody.
Kia mutu rāno.
Kia mutu rāno, yeah.
Until you've finished.
Kaua e takahia te papa kia maroke rāno.
Yeah. Until it's absolutely dry.
Until it's dry, yeah.
Mai rāno from way back. How long have you known him? Oh, mai rāno.
Oh, mai rāno.
Yeah. Way back. So that rāno becomes...
Rāno.
Yeah, rāno.
Yeah.
So you're saying noa or ano?
Rā and ano.
Rā and ano.
yeah.
Rāno.
Yeah.
Yeah. But they come together to make this beautiful sounding
Yeah.
mai rāno.
Mai nā.
Mai rano.
And then there's a couple like that. So you've got rā no, no ake is the other one.
No ake, yeah.
So no and ake together. So no and ake, which is sort of like, hey, it's an irony, yeah.
It's an irony, yeah.
Because you got noa and ake, but they go together.
So it's like saying, it's like only and something that's continuous.
Yeah.
Yeah, hea te tehi reanga mo te no ake.
He pai no ake.
Pai no ake
ia i aia. He's way better than him.
Oh, is that what that's saying? Yeah, no ake. Yeah.
Pai no ake ia i aia.
Cool.
Yeah.
Boom.
Yeah. No atu is the other one.
No atu, yeah.
Yeah. Ko tai mere ki te kāinga. His mere arrived at home. Kua tai no atu. She got there ages ago.
Okay.
Yeah. Ko tai no atu. Mohio koe ki tēnei, kua mohio no atu. I don't really know about that.
Okay, so you could use that as a more intense way of, instead of saying care.
Yeah, ko mohio keo. I've known that.
Yeah. I already know that. Right? Ko mohio keo ki te, I already know that. Ko mohio no atu. It's been ages since I've known that. You know, it's been a while. Yeah.
Like you definitely know that.
Yeah.
Hard out.
That's like, what's the pai ke atu?
Yeah. Pai ke atu.
Yeah, that's way better, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, pēhea te kupu kau.
Right.
He intensifier tēnā?
I think so.
Yeah, like mutu kau ana te mahi nei.
Yeah.
It's almost like, can you say, ka mutu tonu te mahi?
Again, it can indicate immediacy.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I think one of the favourite phrases I guess you hear a lot, e mihi kau no ana. Kei te mihi kau no.
Yeah, mihi, yeah.
Yeah, so I
What
can
does that
only...
mean?
Well, it's saying there's nothing but, in addition to what they're saying, the main thing is for them to give their salutations. E mihi kau noa.
Yeah. Is it the same as e mihi kau ake, e mihi kau ana?
E mihi kau ana.
Yeah.
No, I'm not just doing a mihi, but...
I've been a bit of a parrot and
this is
seen
utmost, I guess.
Yeah, the utmost. The utmost acknowledgements, salutations.
Yeah.
To you, sir.
Without hindrance.
Without hindrance,
yeah.
You know when you like double up a word like kōrero, that's not intensifying it, eh? That's...
Yeah, I don't know, is it?
Kōrero is to speak, kōrero is speaking, talking.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Kei te kōrero rātou. They're talking, they're having a conversation.
Hi koi.
Yeah.
Walking.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are there any other ones you've wondered about?
What about pai?
Pai. Ki pai te whare.
Ki pai te whare. Ki poha.
Ki poha.
There's another one.
Poha.
Let's remember that.
Yeah.
So not as in like poha the kinners.
No.
Nah.
Goodness.
When you, whakapoha.
Absolutely.
Stuffed.
Yeah. Ki poha te whare. That's the only way I've heard it used.
Yeah, I thought it was for puku.
But ki pai's good.
And
then
like it's a good full.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, like absolutely but you know.
Yeah.
Full house.
Full house.
Yeah.
Packed out.
Yes. Oh, you know, how many went to the regionals last weekend?
Yeah.
Oh, ki poha ana te whare.
Yeah, that's cool. Ki poha.
Yeah.
What about marire?
Oh, marire. And marika.
And marika.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pai marika. Very good.
Very good.
It's all good.
Ko oti marika.
It's
absolutely done.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yes,
and
completed.
you can say oti marire as well.
And is it similar meaning?
Same thing, same meaning. Yeah.
Same but different.
Yeah.
Though marire is used in other ways, but you can hear it be used as an intensifier.
Yeah. Yeah. You could say tereka marika.
Tereka marika, yeah.
O te kainei. Yeah.
Or like, oh man, he riri pai te kuiara kia hau, but he hoha pai ia kia hau. She was ticked off at me. She got well and truly fed up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So either way, either sides of the coin.
Yeah. Yeah. So there you go.
Yeah.
That's cool. Te mutunga mai.
O te pai.
O te pai.
Ko mutu marika.
Ko mutu marika, ko pau meno ngā kupu whakakaha. Meno, mano, mone, mone. Mano, mano, meno, meno, mone, mone. Meno, meno.
Meno, meno. No,
When you had me there, I was like, oh, is this one I don't know about?
Ko pau mone mone I tēnei wā.
Mone,
I tēnei wā. Ngā
And we
kupu.
might have missed a few.
Yeah, so if you got any more, man, put them up on the Facebook page.
Yeah, I'm probably going to go away after this and then, you know,
Yeah,
Think of
as
all
what
these other
happens
ones.
after.
yeah. You'll be sitting in the dark.
We do our best to you to provide enough within an hour, tops.
Tika.
You know, so when we sort of got getting to the 45 minute thing, we sort of start wrapping up.
Yeah.
You know, I think there's only been a few in the history of Taringa, I could be wrong, where we've gone over the hour with the intro, the waiata and everything. So, yeah, and you know, kia hoki ki ngā kōrero, ko kōrero ketia. You know, these are to provide a window.
Kia ora.
Ka tai, he matapihi. He timo kai e nei.
Kia ora.
So this is a taster, an entree.
An entree.
Yes. Hākari is
An hors
through the
d'oeuvre.
duration of your journey, I roto I te ao Māori, me te reo Māori.
Yeah.
You don't get that, but Taringa is very good at providing it. Timo. Ana, mā te hai tēnā.
Mā te aha.
Yeah. So, koena and hea tātata waiata e hoa.
I think we'll go with Toimaha Ruki Ruki. Taimaha Ruki Ruki.
Taumaha ruki ruki, toimaha ruki ruki.
Taumaha Ruki Ruki.
There you go.
Taku tūranga ake.
Taku tūranga ake. I roto I tēnei whare. Whakarongo mai.
I taku tūranga ake, I roto I tēnei whare. Ka tura ki te rau o te aroha e. Taimahai ruki ruki, te tinana I te aroha. E kore rau e tū, te kai te taimahai. Ko te here o te aikiha, e tai a te wete wete. Ko te here o te aroha, e mauroha e. Taimahai ruki ruki, te tinana I te aroha. E kore rau ai tū, te kai te taimahai. Roi mātai mā turu turu, I taku tirohanga ke. He manau ai hotu he nui no te aroha e. Taimahai ruki ruki, te tinana I te aroha. E kore rau ai tū, te kai te taimahai. E kore rau ai tū, te kai te taimahai.
Me whakarongo pi kari kari.
Nicely done.
I love that line. Ko te here o te aikiha, e taia te wete wete.
Oh.
The knot of the handkerchief can be undone.
Yes.
Ko te here o te aroha he maurua.
Do you know why they would knot the handkerchief?
No.
The handkerchief.
Please enlighten us.
Because there was little things that they do with their handkerchiefs. People would carry handkerchiefs in the old days to show if they were betrothed or
Yes.
if they had partnered, they'd tie a knot in it.
Wow, that just takes it to another level.
Yeah, because they used to do that with ropes, pre-handkerchiefs.
Yeah.
So there you go.
Oh, cool.
Oh, there you go.
And you would think that now when you sing that line
Yeah, exactly.
in that song.
Yeah.
Does it really belong to Ngā Puhi, or is it because you fellas always
It's
sing
become synonymous.
Right.
Because it's sung of it. But I hear it down here. There's a few waiata that people think it's, there's from one place and hear it in another. Rimu Rimu Tere is another one I heard that Mania Poto lays claim to as well.
Yeah.
But no tātai.
Because it was just a waiata that I heard my either old people singing.
Yeah,
or,
that's how I always that's what it reminds me of my krani.
Rawe, he rawe te rawe
Ia
ata.
karanima.
He karanima.
Ana ko oti marika i nāne.
Oti marika.
Ko pau mone mone ngā
Pau
kōrero.
mone.
Ko tino mutu rawa atu.
Mutu rawa kauake ake ne.
Actually, there's another way of intensifying as well, Gene. Ko mutu rawa atu.
Ko mutu.
Yeah. Oh, e nui te rawa, e nui.
Yeah,
you know.
nui.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Nei ko mātou e mihi atu nei, kia koutou tēnā koutou katoa i o koutou taringa. And yeah, kare roa e hoa ma, kua hoki mai anō koutou, ko hoki mai anō mātou, anō ko tātou, ka piritahi roto i tātou kaupapa i a taringa. Anei e mihi nei kia koutou, hei ko nā mai rā.
Kia ora.
Hei kona.
Ki o, whakarongo ki te tangi a te korimako. Kōrero flowing at the hook of force. Kaupapa relevant, kaupapa out of bounds, kaupapa exigent, kaupapa paramount. Nā ko nā whakapiri mai ki te kaupapa tino whakahira, whakarongo pi kari mai, hare mai, o Taringa, hare mai. We gotta gather up close everybody, gather up close everybody. Kani move that body, kani move that body.
Taringa. He mea tuku nā te wānanga o Aotearoa, nā te māngai pāho I tautoko. To listen to more episodes, search for us on your podcast app and subscribe. Taringa, whakarongo mai.